What's up, everyone? We're back with break number 1386, Saturday night special double up on October 19th. Spot holders are on the left-hand side, times two. Everyone gets two teams. This was their $39 break. Panini versus Upper Deck. There is three Panini, three Upper Deck. Three Panini, four Upper Deck, including that blaster. Five times, and we pair up. Arizona and Vegas are comboed. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth and final. Boom. We got Arizona, Vegas on top. Winnipeg Jets on the bottom. So Anthony has Arizona, Vegas combo. Kevin has the Montreal Canadiens. Bill Cunningham, Minnesota Wild. Kevin with the Predators and Hawks. Sean Sivan with the Lightning. Kevin with the Leafs. Sean Sivan with the Kings. Kevin with the Islanders. Anthony with the Flames. Kevin with the Sabres and Ducks. Sean Sivan with the Jackets and Blues. Nick Hughes with the New Jersey Devils. Anthony with the Red Wings. Kevin with the Oilers. Bill Cunningham, Canucks. Kevin with Colorado and Florida. Sean Sivan with Dallas. Kevin D with Ottawa, Sean Sivan with the Rangers, Kevin with the Sharks, Anthony with the Hurricanes, Kevin with the Bruins and Penguins, Sean Sivan with the Flyers and Capitals, and Nick Hughes with the Winnipeg Jets. We'll give you guys a few minutes for trade, and we'll start the break after that. Let's pull this up. There you go. Guys, our multi-sport mixer is also posted. Break number 1400 scheduled for our card show at the shop November 3rd. It's 14 boxes of all sports. It's 109 a spot. Works out to be about $27 a spot. It has $27.50 a spot. It has 18-19 Cup, Premier, OPG Platinum, and Clear Cut and SB Game Use for hockey. For baseball, it has 2019 Bowman Chrome, 2019 Luminaries, 2019 Clearly Authentic, 2019 Top Signature Archives. For football, 2019 Immaculate, 2019 Don Ross. And for basketball, it has 2019 Chronicles, 2019 Prism, and 2019 Encased. 14 boxes total, guys. 4 sports. Each person will get one team from each sport. So you could get the Hawks for hockey, Bulls for basketball, White Sox for the baseball, and you could get the Bears. I don't know why I said all Chicago teams, but you could obviously get all different teams. But you get one per sport. This is a Kevin break. Yeah, Kevin just bought all the spots there. Okay, good luck, guys. Should we start? Let me copy and paste the teams on the... There you go, guys. Those are the teams. And obviously Wednesday the cup comes out. Oh, also for that for the multi mixer, we also have a mini for it. $21.99 will get you 10 spots. $21.99 a spot, and top 2 will get a spot in the main, and the rest will get packs. 2, 4, 6. We got 8 teams left, guys. Boston, Calgary, Carolina, Chicago, Detroit, Philly, St. Louis, and San Jose. Yeah, okay. You guys get it done by the time we finish this break. We'll get it done tonight. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. I'll be live probably till about 8:30, so we need to fill that by about 8:10. so we can run it tonight. Check the website. Here's the link, and let's start the break. Good luck, everybody. There's the link. If we fill it in the next 25 minutes, I'll run it tonight. If not, we'll do it tomorrow, guys. I got to be up at 7:30 in the morning tomorrow, so I got to head out early tonight. Okay, good luck, everybody. Here we go. Blaster 15-16. It's not as sharp as it used to be. See if we can cut Connor. Pavel Datsuk, canvas, Detroit. Base. Young Guns of Sam Britton, Florida Panthers. Base. 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 Wow. What the hell? For the Canucks, Hunter Shinkaruk, Young Guns. Nick Cousins, Philly. Rookie portraits. And Colton Parayko, St. Louis Blues. That was a pretty bad one. Let's throw in a couple of these and see if we can make it better. Base, base, and base. Kyle Turris, Panthers, Predators. For Ottawa, Eric Brenstrom, rookie. Kyle Turris for the Predators, and Coyotes, Derek Stepan. Well, that didn't really make it so much better, but let's see what happens at the end. 10-11 certified from Panini. We get a blue, mirror blue for the Anaheim Ducks, 87 out of 100, Ryan Getzlaf. One of my favorite base sets was this 10-11 certified. Base, and that should be a hit there. Yep, we got a hit. It is, ooh, wow, look at that. 1 of 5, mirror green, emerald, 3-color patch for the Colorado Avalanche, Craig Anderson. That's a sick looking card for the Avalanche. I mean, it's Craig Anderson, but still, 1 of 5. I never thought something big like that would, well, something nice like that will come out of a blaster, a $20 blaster. But not bad. Okay, Upper Deck product, SB, retail. You can buy the rest of the teams, James, and we can do it tonight. There's a authentic profiles blue for Toronto, Austin Matthews. For the Dallas Stars, rookie of Miro Heiskanen. For Sean Sivan. We have a Jets rookie, Christian Vesalainen. Nick Hughes. Evan Bouchard, Edmonton Oilers rookie. Warren Fugel, Carolina Hurricanes rookie. Max Domi, Authentic Profiles, Montreal Canadiens. Did we get an auto? Oh no, we got a short print rookie. Michael Rasmussen, Detroit, and our short print rookie. Well, not really short print. To 11.99, Buffalo Sabres, Casey Middlestat. Boston is tempting. What else is left?
Anaheim, Carolina, Chicago, Detroit, Philly, St. Louis, Boston, San Jose.
Yeah, Boston and Chicago. Well, Philly, almost every case has a Carter Hart. So, and yeah, we didn't get an autograph in this one, guys. Oh wow, I missed the blue ones. Hold on, I gotta go through the base cards. Dylan Sekura, rookie for Chicago, and I missed all the blue ones. There's a Brent Burns for San Jose. You got two cheap teams. Yeah. Evander Kane for the Sharks. Bobrovsky for the Blue Jackets. Wow, I totally forgot there was blue parallels in these. Patrick Kane for Chicago. John Carlson for Washington. And Brock Besser for the Canucks. Sorry, guys. I apologize. I know the regular SPA has the red ones. I forgot this one has the blue ones. Okay, we're going to go to our second Panini product. 11-12 Crown Royale. We'll keep the checklist because we might have a redemption that Panini... And there's a couple of thick ones, so we'll leave those at the bottom. Panini's old redemptions did not say who the players were. It would just say a card number, so that's why they always had a checklist for those guys that didn't know. We start with a Blue Jackets. Here's to the Throne jersey cards of Ryan Johansson. Die-cut jersey. And then we got a Ray Whitney, red for Arizona. Oh, we got a triple something coming. For the Flyers, we got Royal Lineage, Claude Giroux, Danny Briere, and Jeremy Roenick. Nice triple. Is it numbered? Nope, no numbering. And we got a Lords of the NHL, Patrick Kane for Chicago. There's a no. Never mind, that's decoy. Oh, we got these ones. These are one per case. Wow, we got 3 hits in this one. Razor Choice Awards, New York Islanders, Matt Molson. 55 out of 99. Matt Molson for the Islanders. We got a rookie autograph for the Winnipeg Jets of Carl Klingberg. No numbering. Winnipeg Jets. And Harry Seteri, rookie for San Jose. Come on, give me a silhouette. Silhouette. Ooh. Ooh, that I saw the autograph already. Let's look at that at the end. We have a Dale Hawerchuk for the Winnipeg Jets. A base. This one is a Jonas Hiller for Anaheim. And nice one. One color patch. Pat LaFontaine, 1 of 10. Nice box. 1 out of 10. All the Kingsmen patch. One color patch is supposed to be, I mean, it's a patch. It's out of 10. It's not just a jersey card, but sadly we got the worst part of it. Islanders. Patty LaFontaine. Kevin D. Okay. I didn't miss anything here, right? Nope. All base. Okay. Upper Deck product. We don't need the. They don't have any redemption. Upper Deck product 1819 OPG Platinum. Oh, I forgot it was. Come on, give me a one-on-one. Let's turn a $20 break into the best break ever. Well, $19.50 break, because every spot gets you 2 teams. Oh, we start with a gold. Oh, I thought it was Svechnikov. Gold autograph for the Carolina Hurricanes, Nicholas Roy. 1 out of 25. Very nice hit for the Carolina Hurricanes. I thought it was Svechnikov. Is he still with the team? No, him. Nicholas Roy. What's his position? Center.
I think he's down in Charlotte or in AHL.
Oh. It's Carolina. Who has Carolina? Anthony. Nice hit, Anthony. Ryan Ellis, Nashville. Yusuf Alimaki, rookie for the Flames. Ilya Kovalchuk, LA Kings. Henry Yukiharjo, rookie for Chicago. We have a refractor rookie for the Leafs, Andreas Johnsson. A purple of Ryan Suter for Minnesota. Cal Peterson, rookie for the LA Kings. Welcome, sir. Vegas Knights in action of Marc-Andre Fleury. Noah Yolson, rookie for the Habs. Evgeny Malkin, refractor for the Penguins. Dylan Sakura for the Hawks. Purple Rasmus Ristolainen for Buffalo and Ryan Donato for Boston. William Nylander retro for Toronto. Alex Radulov for Dallas. Christian Vesalainen, rookie for Winnipeg. Elias Pettersson, the future is now. Rookie for the Canucks. And an Adam Gaudette, rookie for the Canucks. Who has Vancouver? Bill Cunningham. Rainbow Pierre-Luc Dubois for Blue Jackets. Oh, we got purple. It's a purple Mike Green for Detroit. Number 140 out of 149. Mike Green and a Troy Terry Anaheim Ducks rookie. Oh, that would be sick, Anthony. Brock Nelson, rainbow for Islanders, and Brett Howden, rookie for the Rangers. Purple rookie of Christian Vesalainen for the Winnipeg Jets, and Brady Tkachuk, rookie for the Ottawa Senators. Maxime Lajoie, Ottawa, retro, and Evan Bouchard, rookie for the Oilers. Rookie retro of Andreas Johnsson for Toronto. Net Magnets, Toronto, Austin Matthews, right? And Andreas Johnsson, rookie for Toronto. 2 packs left. Should get one more numbered card. Yep, there it is. Lars Eller, Washington Capitals, Prism Red, 129 out of 199. Jeremy Lawson, rookie for Boston. And our last pack is a rookie refractor, Noah Olsen for Montreal, and an Ilya Samsonov, rookie for Washington. Yeah, he looks good. He looks promising. So we got limited 12-13, our final Panini 1-pack product. And we finish with clear cut. Ooh, we got a super thick card in the middle. Wow, what could that be? There you go. Okay, we start with a Drew Doughty bronze to 299 for the LA Kings. We have a bronze Jordan Stahl for the Carolina Hurricanes. He's wearing Pittsburgh, but it's the Carolina logo. So this one goes to Carolina. 28 out of 299 for Carolina. Is that an autograph? 67 out of 9. Oh, nice. For the Philadelphia Flyers, we have a Bobby Clark. 67 out of 99. Trophy winners. Nice hit for the Flyers. That was unexpected. I thought the hit would be at the bottom. Nice hit, Sean. Next up, Jamie Langenbrunner. 74 out of 99. Jersey for the St. Louis Blues. Oh, this would have been nice if it was signed. 137 out of 199. Imagine that one signed. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jaromir Jagr. 199 for the Penguins. Next up, we have a gold Yuri Hudler. 5 out of 25 wearing Detroit, but it goes to the Calgary Flames. Gold Yuri Hudler. And that super thick card is... Oh, nice net cord. 31 out of 50 for the Vancouver Canucks. Daniel Sedin. Net Crashers. Look how thick that card is, guys. Daniel Sedin Net Crashers for Vancouver. Bill Cunningham. Wow, our Panini boxes were way better than our upper... Well, no, actually, we got a gold, assessment gold. Let's finish strong with the clear cut. Box number 83. Good luck, everybody. Come on, clear cut. I haven't looked. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Wah, wah, wah. 35 out of 99 for the New York Islanders. Anders Lee. Disappointing. Anders Lee for the Isles. And that was clear cut. No multi-randoms to do. Overall, not a bad break for $19.50. We got some nice cards out of it. This was $13.86. Saturday night double up special. We'll have a Saturday night special every Saturday. Unless they don't fill, they go on Sunday. But usually our Saturday night specials fill. So that's definitely good. Thank you very much for joining and supporting. Let's see how low we are on clear cut. I have a feeling we have to do that tomorrow. Oh yeah, we got 7 teams left. Anaheim, Boston, Carolina, Chicago, Detroit, Philly, and San Jose. 7 teams left, guys. We'll do that tomorrow when I go live at 4 p.m. I'll be at the Bonzer show from 10 to 1. And I'll be back at the shop around 3 o'clock. As I said, we have a surprise birthday for someone here at the shop. If you are not doing anything, you're local, come down. It'll definitely be fun. I promise you, you're going to have fun. Just print this list. And I'm going to post the same baseball break we did, the draft. At did I miss something here? Oops. At 8:30, so in about 23 minutes, I'm gonna have it on the site there. That one is sold out and done.